This is our Fibre Lash 3D volumizing mascara. It comes in 2 pieces, and the larger piece you can just use as mascara. However, if you would like to add length to your lashes while the mascara is wet, you add these fibres, green tea fibres. We begin by adding a layer of mascara. I like to add it to the top of my lashes as well. Zigzagging across the lashes so it coats them really nicely. I also like to do my lower lashes. Now, while they're still wet, I'm going to add the green tea fibre. Watch the length grow. While that side dries, I'll do the other side. Back to the mascara. A little on the top. Now I'll add the fibres to that eye. While that side dries, I go back to the original side and I do my last coating of mascara. This step is super important because this is what gels those fibres on so that they don't fall down during the day. You'll also find this point will even out the coverage of the mascara. That's my mascara done, the final piece to the eyes. As you can see, your eyes are never complete until you have mascara.